You've got to see some of these crazy deals that they are offering right now on move-in ready homes in Sun City. Today, we've got a storm brewing and we've got some crazy deals that they're doing in Sun City on these inventory homes. So Patrice and I are going to try to get into as many of these things as we can before the storm starts pouring in on us. So here we are in Georgetown, Texas. Stay tuned. All right, so we found a compass, guys, and look at I like the exterior. I like the elevation on this. I like those two little lights over the garage.
Yeah, it's a
Gray and white.
really nice gray.
Yeah, it kind of has that beachy feel. And then look at the backdrop on here. I can't wait to get in that backyard. Now this thing, Patrice, they are blowing this thing out. It was $399. Now it's $361.
I like this floor plan. I think it's a nice livable floor plan.
Yeah, 1,400 square feet. This is perfect for those that, want that smaller footprint. They don't want a lot to take care of. Maybe they are, travelers, so they travel a lot. This is a nice little office. It's not gonna be overwhelming. You put a small little desk in here, kind of pay the bills, get on the computer, that sort of thing. You can even have it as a flex space. We've got some clients that just use that as kind of their sewing room and that sort of thing. You come through here and this is kind of your living and dining area. A lot of people use this as kind of their dining space, and then over here as their family room where they watch their TV.
Yeah, I like all the natural light that comes in here. I think this just feels like a good space.
Yeah, I mean, we don't have all the lights on, and this thing has some pretty good light. We'll come over here first and we'll check out the full bath, secondary bath. So your guests will use that as well. I like how they put the tile all the way up.
Yeah, they're doing that in these. I think that's great. And then here's the laundry room. And then it's got that space right there where if you want to throw your clothes from the primary right into a basket.
And then here is your secondary guest bedroom. And again, guys, if you want to see a full what these things look like decorated, stay till the end. Click on we'll link our Sun City tour at the end of this, as well as we'll put it in the description as well, just so you can kind of see. And then right over here is going to be your primary. This is where we're going to sleep, Patrice.
All right, I do like that backyard. I can't wait to get in and take a look at that.
Oh, look, they have these
USB and C's.
Yeah,
that's nice.
And then right here is your ensuite with the dual sinks. Got a shower with the tile that goes all the way up.
Very nice. And then there's your shower. Nice little window in there. It's got a bench. And then here's your closet. This closet is a lot smaller, but
what do you think about being exposed there with the toilet?
Oh yeah, I kind of prefer a door, to be honest.
Yeah.
Especially with a pocket door right there.
Now look at this. I love the kitchen in this Compass. For being just a smaller home, this is really nice and laid out really nicely. You've got everything that you would expect. You've got your drop-in 5-burner cooktop.
You got a sink, and look at that window, looks out onto your beautiful trees.
And look they put some hardscape on it already, so.
Have they? We'll have to go out and take a look. They sure did.
Yeah.
And then the pantry in this one is not huge. It's just like almost like a linen closet kind of a thing. And they didn't do the sunroom on this one, so you have a patio.
So you have the patio, but you've got your gas line right here. I'd wall this up, put my TV or fireplace right here, and then look at that. I can get used to looking out into my backyard space like that.
You do get it cut off a little though from there. Like those guys, they have more space back there, and so do the people on the other side.
Hey, that just means they have to take care of more.
That's true.
Right?
I've
got the big tree. Look at this. That tree is like the center point of your home.
Yeah, it's really, really pretty. And then this is the back of it. And see how they've screened it out? You could do something like that over there. You've got so many options here.
Yeah. Now this is the biggest community 55 and over in Texas. and it shows. It's very popular. So we don't know what model we're gonna get into next, guys. We're gonna show you all around, try to get in as many as we can before the storm comes in. So if we feel like we're rushing through it a little bit, well, we sort of are.
Plus, there's not much to look at. I mean,
yeah, there's no fancy furniture or anything like that.
Right.
It is what it is. But we'll definitely find something to get ourselves into. We always do.
all right, Andy, so we found ourselves a contour, and I really like this street. You go to the end, there's just a cul-de-sac with trees. I think this is nice.
And then if you like, right here is the contour, and right next to it is a compass. Now this
good.
compass over here, we won't get into it just because we just showed you, but this thing is $349,990.
Wow.
350 grand.
Yeah, that's nice. And
Yeah,
it's pretty.
And I love the elevation.
I
of
do
it.
too. It's
The
really
light
a
blue
pretty
and
color.
Stuff like that. All right, well, let's get into this contour.
Here, I'm just gonna show this street a little bit so they can see. There's a lot of construction going on, but they're going along quick.
Yeah, if you want this thing is 1344 square feet, and it has been marked down. It was 414. It's been marked down all the way down to 369.
All right, let's go check it out and see what they've put in here. Okay, so you walk in, you've got your garage, closet, and then to the left is that office space or flex space of some sort. Nice. We did have a client that bought this one and used it as her painting studio, so I thought that was a cool idea.
Yeah. One of the things that we wanted to kind of let you know is they are no longer doing the Alpine. And the whole reason why is kind of for this space, right? It didn't have kind of that office or flex space. And they were finding that, you know, the juice wasn't worth the squeeze. They weren't selling enough of them because people wanted that extra space. And part of the reason why is for resale, to be honest with you. It's a little tougher to sell when it comes to the resale because people want that kind of extra space. And you're talking about $5,000 difference, you know? So
Yeah.
it really became kind of an issue on the resale market. Here is your secondary bath.
This
Now,
is a good sized bath.
it's a really good sized bath, but look at, you don't get the tile, you get the kind of
Yeah,
the-
that drop-in plastic.
the drop-in plastic
Yeah.
that doesn't go all the way to the top. So these are the sort of things that you have to take into consideration. All the different series have different standards that they come with. So we can help you out with all that stuff. You just let us know what you want and we'll be able to take care of you and make sure you get a great deal. This is the secondary bedroom. It's not overly big, but you wouldn't expect it to be at 1,300 square feet, right?
Right. And then here's the kitchen. I love the cabinet color. It's so pretty.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I really do too. I'm really looking forward to getting into that Mystique.
I know. We're gonna have to try to get in there whether they're in there or not.
Yeah, you got a 5-burner cooktop. So you get a nicely appointed kitchen and layout. I mean, there's nothing wrong with this.
No, I think it's very pretty.
Yeah.
And then you've got your snack closet right there. Plenty of space for your canned goods. And then I like that they've added the tray ceiling in here.
Yeah, so they've optioned it out pretty nicely.
They've
And
got
then-
that nice big slider.
Yeah, you got a nice big slider, you got a nice big patio, and then look at this. I mean, that's not a bad view.
It's a great view. Now there's a road up there that's, you know, has a little bit of noise, but
It's
I don't know.
not too bad.
You trade off for all this greenery. I don't know. I think I might do it.
Yeah, you get a buffer because of that hill and stuff. I mean,
Yeah.
in fact, you put like a little water fountain or a little water feature out here, you wouldn't even hear it.
You're right. You wouldn't hear it at all.
And I would much rather have that than a neighbor right behind me.
Yes, I agree. But that's a good sized patio.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's what I'm talking about. This is Andy approved right here.
I know. And here, now you can see like your neighbors' yards right there. It's a very pretty area. And you've got more over there. I like this area.
They even put the gas stub in here. So I'd put my barbecue and all that right there. Have your kind of dining and sitting area.
Perfect.
Yeah, no, this is great. And again, it's $350,000.
Yeah, think of all the traveling we could do after we.
Oh, actually, no,
Purchase
I
it.
stand corrected. $370. Next door is $350.
Oh, okay, okay. And here's the laundry room, right next to the primary, which is right behind me.
As I say, when I said $350, I was like, man, we should just snag this.
We need to just buy it.
This is good. I like it.
Yeah, plenty big enough. We're downsizing when it comes to buying another house.
Exactly. And look at it, full tile.
They've done the chevron pattern, which is nice.
Full tile on
tile's
the
nice.
shower.
Love it. Love it, love it. And then we've got 2 sinks over here, not split, but plenty of space. And then the closet that goes right into here. You know, they just figure you're just gonna need shorts and t-shirts when you retire.
I need my polos.
That's right.
For
just
golf.
so you could golf, yes.
And go out to dinner. I mean, you're gonna take me on date nights, aren't you, Patrice?
That's true. That's true.
Yeah, you take me on a date night, you know, to Applebee's or something.
So you can wear a decent shirt.
Yeah, I can wear a decent shirt to Applebee's.
All right, so we're gonna go try to get back into that mystique.
Yeah, and see what else we can, you know, we're just, like I said, just driving around in the new construction area, just trying to get an idea of what we can discover for you guys.
You know what? In fact, while we're driving around, I'll even show you guys some just of the area so you can get an idea of what it looks like out here.
That's a good idea.
Okay.
All right.
Let's go. All right, so here is a little bit of the newer part of the area. I like that they're kind of on a hill up around here. It's very hilly, so it doesn't feel so cookie cutter. And then obviously you're gonna run into tractors and things on the way. But we're making our way to the mystique.
We're hoping.
It's very nice and got a little bit of topography here, so it's really a cool area. And obviously they don't have the huge trees because everything's just planted, but
I think they're there still.
are they? Well, let's go
Did we just bust in?
in. Yeah, let's just go in and see. All right, we're gonna go in and see right now. All right, so we get to check out the inside of the Mystique.
Yes, finally. This thing is nice. I love the high ceilings.
That is very nice. This is a great entryway.
Yeah. Now, as you come on over here to your right, this is going to be your garage. It's like a 2.5, I would say. Kind of like your golf cart and then almost like a tandem.
Yeah, I can go in there and show it. I wanted to show this front door real quick just so you could see how tall. They put a window above it. Nice little entry.
And then right over here is your utility laundry area.
So you've got a sink right there, and then your washer and dryer goes there, and then you've got your HVAC system back here. But you know what? Actually, this one's kind of interesting because you do have space back there for some sort of storage if you want to store like your vacuum and all that in there. It's kind of nice.
And then what would you do right here? I think I would put like a mud bench kind of.
Yes, it's calling for a mud bench. Now they put an electrical outlet there so you can do something fancy if you wanted.
Something fancy? Mm-hmm. All right, so here we go into the guest bath. And again, it's just kind of that drop-in fiberglass.
That's fine. It's a good size bathroom though.
Yeah, you don't want to make the guests too comfortable. Here's the guest room. Again, this is 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's 1,809 square feet. So
We could hear thunder. Look, I'm going to show them outside real quick.
Yeah.
The wind's picking up. Those clouds are coming in. It's going to get really bad pretty soon.
But we're saving the best for last, guys. So,
That's right.
Or no, I don't want to say that. We're saving the one that we hadn't seen
For last, yes.
for last. Best is, subjective.
Absolutely.
Because you never know, everybody's got different needs and all that good stuff. But here we go. Here is your office or flex space.
Good size. I like that. That's a nice room.
I just hear some rain.
I know it's gonna storm really bad soon. I love this space.
I do too. I like how, this is all centered. And you know how one of my big pet peeves, if you watch our video on the tour, you'll see it when they have the fireplaces and they stick out 3 feet.
Yeah, that
right?
drives
They
you
take up
nuts.
so much room in a small space that you hurt your neck, right? When you're watching TV. This is perfect for one of those electric fireplaces have your TV right there, and it's centered right in the room.
I
I
agree.
like that.
They did the tray ceiling in here, which is nice. All
then-
these windows are beautiful.
And then you've got this nice island. You've got plenty of cabinetry all the way around, which Webb does a good job of doing that.
I love this kitchen.
Look at the snack closet. It's not too bad for like a little corner fire or a corner snack closet, pantry. Got a nice deep sink. You got everything that you would want. You got your 5-burner cooktop.
They did the
Plenty of counter
two-tone,
space.
which is pretty.
Yeah.
I
You
like
got your
that
tile all the way
backsplash.
up there.
Very nice. It's a very comfortable home.
And then right over here is your dining room, or what Patrice and I would call our card room.
Then the
Jeez.
patio. I know, this is a great patio and backyard.
Look at this, guys.
Look at how big that is. That is amazing.
And it wraps around here, so it's kind of that L shape. I have some mist
Yeah.
coming in on me.
Water's coming in, but look at how big this yard is.
But what Patrice and I were talking about, do you see that light?
I saw the lightning.
Did you see right here, you're elevated, and if you want to block out kind of your neighbors, it wouldn't be that hard to do with just some bushes
No.
that go a little bit, maybe a foot over the fence. Speaking of, because it's elevated, Patrice, you're being brave right now.
I'm being very brave. I wanted everybody to see the back of it.
But because it's elevated like this, you get your fencing is included.
That's super nice. Do you know how much money that is? That
Yeah.
is a great, great thing to have already built in.
Yeah, no, but I like how you could see pretty far out.
You can. It's great. I'm getting soaked right now.
It's got its gas stub. Now let's go check out the primary, and we'll wrap this thing up.
Yeah, we will be back here tomorrow with our clients, so maybe we could get some more footage. It's not supposed to rain tomorrow either. Here's the primary, very nice sized primary. And then I wish they put a tray ceiling in
I know.
these.
But look at this.
This shower.
The shower's so nice. Look at, I like this tile.
I do too. It's so pretty.
And then you just kind of walk right in, and then it's got my rain head. It's got the niche kind of hiding right here. It's got the bench. It's got everything that you want.
This is great.
Yeah.
Yes, I love this. And then, hey, look, you have a door where the toilet is. So that's a nice to have. And
That's a
then,
must-have
well, it's a
for us.
must-have, absolutely. And then, not a huge closet again, but you know.
Again, a couple
can you do?
polos for Applebee's, babe.
I
And
know.
I'm good. Let us know what you think. You know, have you seen this floor plan? What are your thoughts about it? And then, what do you think about inventory or build? What is up with you guys? What do you want? Is it worth the wait to build, or do you like the bargain prices that you can get with inventory?
Do you want to pick out your finishes? Do you want to pick out your lot? You know, I mean, there's a lot of things that come with building, but there's so much savings in an inventory home.
Yeah. So let us know in the comments below. Let us know what you prefer. Or would you prefer no new construction at all and you just want the resale?
That's
You know,
true.
you
That's
got
a good
three
option.
choices, guys. Right now, in fact, they're giving away even more incentives. They're giving away a golf cart. For crying out- They're just giving you a golf cart. So there's plenty of different things. Give us a call, text, email, however it is that you want to get a hold of us. Just get a hold of us. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.